Today we will look at couple of vision startups that I've been observing for last couple of years, and I'll also share my lessons in terms of what I've observed and similar things, and my lessons. First one is Inflect. It's a 6 year old startup. Pretty much, I'm looking only into retail startups like vision and retail in combination, and pretty much India focused startups. And they do have three different products. One is in terms of how you lay out the products and what is the planogram compliance. Like you do object detection and you do empty shells, and then you identify how much of the products that you plan versus whether it is out of stock in the shelf or not. Next is more in terms of loss prevention. What are the items that I bill, are they the same ones in terms of quantity product, so that you can avoid any form of sweethearting or loss while at point of sale. Yep, catalog management and content optimization. I'm not that keen on it, but yeah, these two, Viz, InfiViz, and InfiEye. And in terms of overall impact, what is this vision solutions can contribute? They can help us in terms of traffic insights. The traditional market which runs on RFID, EAS sensors versus a pure vision-based solution, which will be a pure cost advantage, as well as how much it adds to the bottom line in terms of saving your margins. And some of the brands, what I could find is Britannia, Nestle, and Canter. These are some of their customers which they have put up. The next startup which we are going to see is Visions. Again, it's also a Bangalore-based startup, and in similar lines, what I could spot is they have a retail-focused solution as well as healthcare-focused solution. Retail in the sense traffic, planogram, and window shopping insights, pretty much CCTV based analytics. I mean, there was one more session that we have bookmarked in the blog. If you can see complete architecture part of it, there was a very good talk that was given. We did make some of the notes from the talk. Please do check. And in terms of COVID mass detection, face detection, attendance tracking, and they do have good set of customers in terms of Lenskart, MI, Metro, Dell, Chroma, Titan. The third startup which we are going to look at is Tangoi. It's a Chennai-based startup. Um, I had initially worked with this company. I mean, again, similar to Inflect, people counting heat maps, customer shopping insights. I think all of these three companies work in retail space as well as more in terms of vision-based things. I could spot, like, initially I remember they were trying Intel OpenVINO based edge solutions, and then now I could see from their website NVIDIA Inception program as well as AWS Activate, and same set of customers Lenskart, Sangeeta, Nika. Like all these three startups, even though they operate in the same segment, yeah, you can see a different set of customers which they have. Coming to my personal lessons, I do have my fair share of failures in terms of pitching an idea and not being able to make it work, and trying out an end-to-end detection in terms of an intrusion detection or a people counting or emotional analytics or product detection at scale. But yes, I think I've never been able to get to the point of getting the right mix of, selling is important as well as piloting it is very important. But then when you have the balance of your full-time job versus the things that you want to try, I mean, you need to things have moved on from now everything is SaaS based. That's what I look forward, and more of a pay per use solution, so that like everything is pre-built and you just need to connect the feeds to get the insights. Yes, in terms of doing a cloud processing or a edge processing, and what is possible in real time, what is possible in offline, more than the technology, how you pitch and connect to customers, which is what I'm still struggling. And the visibility over the cost, overall cost, maintenance cost. Yes, there are few other vision startups. We just looked at retail, but other vision based use cases which are pretty much there in terms of Cropin or Ninja Cart. These are all agri-tech. They do also try to do some more vision in their portfolio. But yeah, it will be interesting to see what other use cases they also try to solve. We'll cover more of the startups going forward. But yeah, this is more in terms of to get started with vision. Thank you.